Hayes, aka PCO.
Green Lantern. Yeah. Hey, yo, M. What we call this shit right here? The Invasion. You have part 1. You got part 2 now. It's part 3. The final chapter, motherfucker.
Armageddon. Let's go. I got a riddle. What's little and talks big with midget arms and creamy white filling in the middle? That'll do anything to throw dirt on my name if it means walking the whole Mediterranean. Isn't it Albanian, Armenian, Iranian, Tasmanian? No, it's Dave Raymond and oh sorry, yo, so sorry, whoa. But that was a long time ago when I was just Joe Schmo rapping in Joe Blow's basement. I apologize for it before, so either accept it or you don't. And let's move on and find shown that I've grown and get the bone. Keep licking these nuts. You industry marks keep walking around sniffing each other's butts, or should I say asses? What would be the more politically correct term to use for the masses? The question I ask is, how can I explain this? How can I swing this in English language if I switch the slang and turn man to main? Do I do it in vain or simply to entertain? Am I being real or am I being fake? Am I just a fraud or am I truly genuine? Or am I caught up in this hot ball